Welcome to this session, and in this session we have to create a function to read data from the file and return its text. So I'm defining a function read file, passing file name as parameters. So in order to read the data from the file, we have a function called as open, and in this function we can pass three parameters. The first parameter is the file name. You can see this is my parameters, so I'm using same name here, so it will open this file name. The second is the mode in which I wish to open this file. So R means I am opening this file in a read mode. I can define W for writing the data in this file, but this time we have to read the data, so mode will be R. UTF-8 refers to Unicode format, so it means this file should be able to read data in Unicode format. So it means if your text file contain data in some foreign language like Hindi, Chinese, Punjabi, Spanish, so you can able to read that data too by defining encoding is equal to UTF-8. So we are opening the file by using open function, and this will create a file handler object with name text file. And in this file handler object we have various functions. One such function is read, which is used to read the data from this file. So here you can see that I am using read function from this text file object. It will read the whole data present in this file and store this in a text variable. Now I can return this text, but before returning we can even print the text. It is recommended to use function close from the file handler to close the file properly, otherwise file can be corrupted. So this is the code to read the data from a text file. I have to pass file name. Using open function, it will open the file name in read mode, and it support Unicode. It means that text can be multilingual. Creating a file object for this. It has a function read, which will read all the data in this file, store this in a text variable. And then finally I am using close function from the same file object to close the file properly. So let's call this function, and in this function you have to pass the file name as a parameter. So it's important to note that text file should be in your current directory. Please focus on my cursor. So this is the place from where you can select your current directory. So at present I am selecting my documents as current directory. Select folder. So here you can see that all these files are available in my documents. In this folder I have a file mytext.txt. So I will be reading the data from this text file. So you need to create this text file. These are the content of this text file. So I wish to read data from this file through my code. So this file is already in my current folder, otherwise you need to give the full path, but it's better to select your folder first and then you can use file name directly like this. Let's run this. So you can see this is the whole data which is present in my text file. So I can use print here to check the value returned by my function. So let's make this print as a comment this time. So you can see this is the whole text which is present in my file. So we have performed first task, that is to create a function to read the data from file and return a text. The next task will be to create list of words in the text. So now we have all the words present in this text. So can you create a list of all these words present in this text? I am storing the whole data present in this file in this text variable. Can you create a list carrying all the words present in this text? And I also recommend you to convert all the words to lowercase before creating the list. So take your time. You need to define word list function where you can pass text as a parameter and it should return the list, and you are allowed to use inbuilt function in this case. I will see you in next session with the solution of this function, but before that please try to create this function on your own. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.